Oh God. Oh, one-handed. Ah! Oh! Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Brooke and Eric Vlogs. Today we are starting this vlog off at Walmart.
We're buying sleds because we're about to go sledding, but we don't have any sleds.
For anyone that's not in the Columbus area, it just snowed today. Today is Monday, and it snowed Friday as well, if you guys remember from our storm. So there's probably like a solid 6 inches out on places that haven't been touched or shoveled yet. So we're gonna go over to this one hill and hopefully have a fun time sledding. We're already kind of struggling. We looked all over the left side of Walmart and we can't find the sleds. I don't know where they would be because I don't think they're in the grocery section of Walmart.
A few moments later.
Still can't find the sleds, but yet look where we are. We're in the Valentine's Day section, but I don't think that's coming up until next month.
Turns out they're out of sleds.
We just asked one of the Walmart associates after walking around here twice just to figure out they're out. So we've been pushing this cart here for nothing.
Also, nobody asked if we needed help.
We passed by like what, at least 10 associates and just not even a hi, how you doing? Since Walmart didn't have any sleds, we're gonna go ahead and check out Target, see if they have any. Okay, so Target doesn't have any sleds either, so I guess we're gonna go ahead and check out somewhere else. Turns out this Walmart is also out of sleds, so now we're gonna have to go and find somewhere else. Turns out Dick's Sporting Goods also doesn't have any. Even though we checked online and said they had some in stock, they said that literally out of every single sled, apart from snowboards, but snowboards aren't sleds. So I don't know what we're gonna do.
We're literally running out of options. We've been to so many stores, as you guys can see, and none of them have sleds. I guess everyone is out sledding today and left us with no sleds.
Except us, we're not sledding. Okay, so we're currently leaving Brooke's house.
After all of that, I figured, let me just ask my mom. Maybe she might have sleds. Turns out we have a bunch of sleds at our house. So we basically just went to all those stores for nothing. So we just got my sleds for my house. And now we're gonna go sledding finally.
We made it out here to the sledding area, but now we are just gonna start vlogging with my iPhone 10. We're leaving the DSLR camera in the car. All right, we have to grab our stuff from the back. Brooke's going in first.
What are we gonna do?
Huh?
How are we gonna change?
I'm all nice and changed up. I'm ready. I even have on some big pants. Look over here. She's struggling. She just shut the door on me in my own car. Me personally, I've never been sledding before. If I'm not mistaken, Brooke has, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. Hopefully it's fun, but I got her blue sled and Brooke over here has a green one.
Bit of the day. We got some shoes, some pants, and a coat.
Shoes, pants, and a coat.
Yeah.
What's in your arm?
A sled that I'll be wearing all day.
That was my first time ever sledding and that was fun. That's the baby hill. The big hill, all the way over there. We're about to go down the hill, but the hill, this one's a much bigger one. All right, let's see if this goes well. Ready?
I might run into you.
3, 2, 1. Oh God. Oh, one-handed. Ah! Oh! Are you still recording? That was amazing. Oh, Brooke had a much better landing. I just died.
How's your butt feel?
Oh, I broke myself. I just lost all control.
That was the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Oh man, I even dropped the tripod.
Did you get that on video?
I did, it fell.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you midnight, love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you midnight, love. And I know when you're all I'm
I need to learn how to sled like that.
I know when you're all I'm it can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that all I think. It can only mean one thing. I know when that all I think. It can only mean one thing.
Rest in peace to them. They broke their sled.
What?
That's so sad.
I know.
Since I left you, did you, did you, left the city, you.
That was amazing. Going down a big hill is fun until you have to walk all the way back up.
Yeah.
You have this long treacherous walk ahead of us.
Cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that all I think. It can only mean one thing.
Me and Eric are gonna try to ride together. He's gonna be in the front, I'm gonna be in the back.
It can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city,
God, it's hard.
I'm just chilling in Cedar Rapids.
We've been sledding this whole time, and Eric thinks he cut his knee. He's a big baby.
The left part of my leg feels moist. I'm pretty sure there's blood.
We've been like moving our stomach, moving our back. We went together, as you guys saw, and we did it again. And I think we ran into a kid, like a little kid, but he didn't say anything. Like he just got up, and everyone was like, "Are you okay?" And we looked like horrible people.
His mom was looking at us really funny. I thought we were gonna get yelled at, but she was nice.
Yeah. Okay, we just finished sledding, and now we're taking off all of our layers because we did have like a lot of clothes on.
I only have to take off this extra pair of pants, but Brooke over here, she is ready. For any of our viewers here in Columbus, if you're wondering, we sled? Ow, God. We went sledding at Big Run Park in southwest part of town. Now we're all changed and everything, and now we're back on the Canon T7i.
I really enjoyed going sledding with Eric because I usually do it every year, but it's like with my family or friends, but I got to do it with Eric this year.
I forgot if I said this already, but this is my very first time sledding, and I had such a fun time. It was a blast. Like the adrenaline, it was great. I don't know why I did that. It was great.
We definitely had a lot of fun today, and I'm glad we got to spend it with you guys. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next one. Peace. How do you do this? I low-key need your help.
Alright. Why is he running? What's the point? He can't make it. Oh my god! What? You got this, Eric. Just 3 more steps.
Very good. That was great. We were all the way over there.
That was amazing.
Oh! No! Bro, she is all the way over there. She is all the way over there.